My name is Daniel, and today I will be describing what categories are in SharpCloud and why they're so important. Category is essentially just an attribute in SharpCloud, but it's the attribute that prescribes the data hierarchy for the rest of the story. Generally, category is meant to describe the type of information encompassed by each item in the category, and you can have as many or as few categories in your story as needed to describe the data within it. For example, this story has the categories goals, innovation strategies, technologies, partners, and risks, showing how all of these different and sometimes qualitative entities that affect your business are related to, are dependent on, or otherwise interact with each other is part of what makes SharpCloud so powerful. Once like items are categorized, users can start to add attributes that are unique to specific categories, as well as create panels that will only show for the selected categories. Thank you for watching. For any additional questions regarding categories in SharpCloud, please refer to the SharpCloud knowledge base.